Hey guys, welcome to the video. What's good YouTube? And this is my apartment tour where I've been living here in Saigon or Ho Chi Minh City for the last 6 months in this apartment, and I'm about to show you guys my crib. So welcome and enjoy and relax and enjoy the show.
Alright, here's the entrance of the apartment. This apartment was about $550 per month, and it didn't include utilities like electricity and water, and Wi-Fi was also extra. Parking fee is extra, but it did include gym, the pool, and maintenance fee. This is a lofted apartment. As you can see, there's 2 floors. The kitchen and the living space is combined together. One of the best things about the apartment is this beautiful contemporary modern kitchen. The great thing about this apartment was the really high ceiling, which really gave a great sense of space. We're gonna go up to the stairs now, where the bedroom is. And this is a large bedroom, about half the size of the apartment. Tons of space and really nice curtains here to give you some privacy. Lighting fixtures, AC unit, storage space, and even a really nice desk. Hangers for your coats, and a large outside window with a decent view, and a pretty comfortable bed with a mattress pad I got put on there, so make it even more comfy. Here we got the really nice desk, workspace with nice wooden floors that complement the desk, and here this wardrobe, which is plenty of space with a lock drawer down at the bottom you can store your valuables in, and a mirror to help you get ready. And this is a bunch of junk I just put in on the side. Really nice mirror to prep. The glass gives a great sense of space and lets light shine in through. You can open this right up to let anyone know downstairs if you need a drink or some beer, so they can walk up the stairs and hand it right to you while you're busy working at your desk. Alright, going back downstairs now. Again, you can get a sense of the great space here with the very high ceiling that goes all the way up. It's really high, unbelievably high for an apartment like this in Vietnam. Something that you wouldn't really expect or even imagine in Vietnam when you think of apartments. But Saigon has become a very modern city. These kind of apartments are springing up at a very fast rate. When you first enter the apartment, the bathroom is right in front of the entrance. The bathroom has a very nice, chic, and clean design with some light shining through. Coming out on the balcony here, this is a really huge space for a balcony. You can really fix this place up and put a lot of stuff on it if you wish. There are some nice plants here from my landlord, kind of give it some decoration. And of course you can see a lot of your neighbors across from the balcony. It did come with a laundry machine, so I did a lot of my own laundry here, and there was a place to hang my clothes as well. Downstairs from the apartment is a couple of cafes and a couple of convenience stores, like Vin Mart, for example.
It's a really nice apartment. It's been like a home to me. Honestly, I haven't really lived in another place I liked better, and this so far has been the best apartment that I've lived in, and I've felt really comfortable and just really nice to come here, come back home, relax, and do all those shenanigans, you know, all that jazz. So
here I wanted to show you some scenes of the apartment at nighttime and how it looks with the lights on. There are some options with the lights here. You can have a regular lighting on, and you can also have these white lights, which give kind of a clearer and more natural or realistic color to what you see at nighttime rather than regular lighting, which just kind of gives it a warm tone. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and this apartment. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think of this place. And if you have any questions about Saigon, Vietnam, or anything like that in general, I'd be happy to answer those questions for you in the comment section below. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already for more videos like this. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed. See you guys in the next video.